Hello, good day everyone. In this video we are going to solve this square root problem, and we have a square root 81 minus square root 80. So let's start. Look at this part. We have a square root 81 minus square root 80. And the square root 81, this is equal to 9. We copy this value. This is a square root 80. Now we find the factor of 80. So we have a 2 40s are 80. Two 20s are 10, two 10s are 20, two 5s are 10, and five 1s are 5. So we write this as a 9 minus, so this is a 2 square, multiply 2 square, multiply this by 5. And in the next step we use this identity. We have a square root product of a b. We write this as a square root a multiply square root b. We apply this identity on this value. So we have a 9 minus, we write this as a 2 square multiply, this is a square root, and we have a 2 square, multiply this by square root 5. Now in the next step, this square and square root will cancel. This square and square root will cancel. So we have a just 2 multiply 2, which is equal to 4. And this is a square root 5. So we write this as a 9 minus, this is a 4. So we write this as a 2 multiply 2, which is equal to 4. And this is a square root 5. Now in the next step we use this identity, which is a square plus b square minus 2 times product of a and b. And we know that this is equal to a minus b whole square. So look at this. This square root 5 is, let's suppose this is a b and a is a 2. So here we need a square plus b square. So we split this 9 as a 4 plus 5, which is equal to 9, and we copy the remaining value. Now we write this 4 as a 2 square, and we write this 5 as a square root 5 whole square minus, we copy this. Focus on this side. This is a square plus b square minus 2 times product of a and b. So this is equal to a, in this case a is a 2 minus b is a square root 5 whole square. So this implies this square root 81 minus square root 80, this is equal to 2 minus square root 5 whole square. And in our question we have a square root 81 minus square root 80, and this is equal to 2 minus square root 5 whole square. And in the next step, this square and square root will cancel. So we get 2 minus square root 5, and this is our answer, and we have done.